Glenmark Pharmaceutical has received approval from the US FDA for its fluticasone propionate nasal spray. The product is therapeutically equivalent to the reference drug Flonase nasal spray. Glenmark will distribute the nasal spray in the US through its American subsidiary. Kernex Microsystems has received a 31.87 crore rupees order from Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. The order involves upgrading onboard Kavach railway safety systems from version 3.2 to version 4.0. The project includes the supply, installation, testing and commissioning of hardware and software. The company is required to complete the order on or before March 31, 2027. Phoenix Mills and its subsidiary Offbeat Developers have increased their combined holding in O2 Renewable 28 to 45%. The increase follows the allotment of fresh equity shares and compulsory convertible debentures to both companies. The investment is linked to meeting their captive renewable energy requirements.